Okay, welcome in my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to display or list the entry of a specific directory in Python. So create a file, Python file, name it file. So here, what we need to do is to import important operating system libraries. So import os, import cys. So after that, we want to write a path we want to display or to list the entries. So write path is equal to this is the path I want to list my file. So I'm going to copy it, Control S. Then I'm going to paste it here. So this is the path, local disk D, folder more, then subfolder YouTube. So here I'm going to write dir is, let's say, directory is equal to os.list, then put path. This is the path. After that, we are going to use for loop for files in directory print files. So it should be like this. It should be like this. So let's learn this Python file and see what happened. Learn it. Now we can see that these are the files which are found in local disk D folder more, local disk D folder more within subfolder YouTube. There is airplane mode, book different between how to format, how to make, and so on and so on. These are the files which are present here. This one, we can see them. Let me. So this thumbnail video. So that's the end of our YouTube video on how to list the entries of a specific directory by using Python. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, put comment, and subscribe for next video update. Goodbye.